Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a file or a video or an image from your Mac operating system to your iPhone using the AirDrop. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to enable the AirDrop. To enable AirDrop, just click on System Settings on the dock. You can also open the system settings by clicking on this Apple logo and then click on System Settings, which is going to open this kind of window here. Here you need to click on General and then click on AirDrop and Hands Off, and make sure that this allow hands off between this Mac and your iCloud is enabled. Also under AirDrop, you can see no one is selected here, so we need to select everyone for some time so that we can use the AirDrop from your Mac operating system to the iPhone or any other device which supports AirDrop. So the second option, just make it everyone here. Now go to the location where you have your file which you want to share. So let's say I want to share this picture from my Mac operating system to my iPhone. So what I can do here is I can right click on this picture and then click on share option, and it says AirDrop. So just select AirDrop and then you will see this kind of window. My MacBook is not connected to any iOS device. You can see it says to share with someone using iOS, ask them to open the control center and turn on the AirDrop. On Mac, ask them to go to AirDrop in the Finder, right? So on my iPhone, what I need to do is I need to click on the settings here, and then I need to search for the AirDrop. So I'm going to search for the AirDrop. You can see AirDrop is under General. So I'm going to just click on the second option, which is for AirDrop. By default, the receiving is off on my iPhone. So I need to just select this option, which says everyone for 10 minutes, right? So when I select everyone for 10 minutes, I will be able to receive any file via AirDrop. Once that's done, I can once again go to my file. Once I turn on the AirDrop on my iPhone will be listed here under AirDrop, right? So once again, when I click on this file and then click on share and then click on AirDrop, see now my iPhone is listed here. Earlier I was seeing that message that I need to enable the AirDrop on my iPhone. So once you see the iPhone listed here, just click on the iPhone and then you can see it's sending this file to my iPhone, and once this file is sent, it says sent. So once it's sent, you can go to your iPhone and view that this picture is received there. So this is how you can use AirDrop to send your files from your MacBook to your iPhone or any other iOS device. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.